Ever wondered how to become a Crorepati in 5 years? Consider these assets known to outperform inflation and generate 8 to 12% returns over the long term. First up, P2P lending. By lending directly to credit-worthy borrowers, you can reap lucrative returns without a middleman. Cube's P2P lending partner Faircent offers plans with recurring payouts and up to 12% annual returns. Next, loans via merchants, courtesy of Liqui Loans. This allows lending directly to top borrowers requiring loans with merchants like Dr. Batra and Upgrad. Expect recurring payouts and returns of up to 9.5%. Then there's asset leasing. With Grip, become a co-investor in physical assets like cars and equipment leased to high credit-worthy organizations. Earn up to 12% post-tax returns and enjoy recurring monthly payments. Lastly, mutual funds. Pools of money gathered from multiple investors managed by a fund manager. Certain types of mutual funds, like debt and equity funds, can generate 8 to 12% returns over the long term. So, set your sights on becoming a Crorepati in 5 years. With the right assets, it's within reach.